Hi, I am Imal Aswath. The chapter is differential equations. Here so that the function y equal to ax plus 2a square is a solution of the differential equation 2 into dy by dx the whole square plus x into dy by dx minus y equal to 0. Here we have to, that is from this function we have to derive this differential equation. So here it is a linear equation. So y equal to ax plus 2a square. So differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx equal to, here it is a constant, therefore here a, dy by dx equal to a. So substitute the value of, here you take it as 1, substitute the value of a in the equation number 1. What you get is y equal to dy by dx into x plus 2 into dy by dx the whole square, to dy by dx the whole square. Therefore what is the what you have to prove is, that is dy by dx. So 2 into dy by dx the whole square plus x into dy by dx minus y equal to 0. This is the differential. This is a differential equation. It is asked to prove. So here we have to substitute the values alone. We have to substitute the values alone. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.